A compound inequality, just like a compound word, is where we put together two different inequalities to solve a situation. So a good example of this might look like this, where they may ask you to graph the solutions. And they would give you something like x plus 2 is greater than 3, or x plus 2 is less than negative 5. So we've got a situation where we've got a possible double inequality, compound situation, two things happening at once, dealing with inequalities. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve these. We're going to go ahead and start off by subtracting 2. And so right here we get our 0. And then what that does is that brings down our x. Still greater than, because we subtracted, that doesn't do anything to the inequality. 3 minus 2 would be 1. And this is still an or. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go ahead and subtract 2 here. So we're dealing with each one independent of each other. It doesn't matter what's happening. This 2 minus 2 still gives me a 0. When it comes down, I've got my x less than negative 5 minus 2, which would be minus or negative 7. And so I've got two situations that now have technically solutions. Now what I want to do is look at what that looks like on a number line, because really that's how we're going to graph this solution. So we're going to look at a number line. We're just going to sketch this out for right now just so we get an idea. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we just want to make sure it's kind of balanced. You can number it however you want. Just want to sort of get an idea of what this looks like. So what I'm looking for now is answers that are larger than 1. So larger than 1, not equal to, so it's going to be an open circle. And larger than 1 would be all these over this direction. So we've got this whole thing filled in. And everything that's less than negative 7. So here's negative 7. Less than it would go this way. And there would be our solutions then, is everything that way and everything that way. Okay, so a compound inequality is two or more inequalities, usually two, where we're trying to solve them at the same time.